here today at King's Dominion. It's been just a little bit since we've been here, but we've got some friends with us that we've met up with, and even more coming today. So we've got another Danny Day with us. We've got Steeler Wayne. Be sure to check both of them out. But
this was like a surprise trip.
It was.
Yesterday, I was going to the drag strip.
So here we are. We are mainly going to show in this video. I'm mainly going to show the actual summer stuff that they have going on, as far as a couple of the shows and the splash parade. But I just wanted to get started here. I probably that's going to be the main part of the video, because I'm going to tell y'all.
It's hot.
It's hot. It is super hot. So probably won't be like an all-day vlog. I will show you, we're fixing to go eat in Jungle X. That's on our meal plan. So we're gonna fix to go eat in here. Love the Jungle X restaurant. We've just met up with Steeler Wayne, but Danielle, if you be sure to watch our stories too, our Instagram and our Facebook. Be sure to check them out. So Danielle has started the story. She did ride Pantherion. We rode Pantherion for the first time, actually, because we haven't ridden it since it's I-305. Same thing. Yeah. But anyway, we did that in Flight of Fear. We're gonna grab a bite to eat, and so stay tuned in a little bit. We'll share some summer stuff with you, other than the heat. We have the tri-tip platter here, the outpost platter, which is either chicken or grilled shrimp. I usually get the grilled shrimp, but we've been getting this tri-tip platter some at Carowinds, and it's really good, so I might get that today. There's our tri-tip. I don't know whether I'll get that or the grilled shrimp I usually get. We picked up our food here in Jungle X, and we got the tri-tip, got the Peruvian bread, and I just want the rest of you Six Flags parks to take note. It is still possible to fix these potatoes, because King's Dominion still has them. Cedar Point, Carowinds, you got rid of them. Get it together, because King's Dominion's got it right here. The potatoes. So I'm digging in.
How's it going down there? Who's ready to splash?
Hey!
Ever since I was young, I dreamt of being a plumber. I'm so dream come true. Are you ready? Hey, Mateo!
Oh my gosh. rain delay today, so that's kind of messed up our schedule just a little bit. The Splash Parade, they ended up, it was supposed to be at 5:30, and then we were going to see this Cirque Imagine at 7:30, but the Splash Parade was postponed because it was storming at the time. We had a downpour.
Postponed until 7:20.
So they had the Splash Parade at 7:20 and the Cirque Imagine, make sure I'm saying it right,
7:30.
at 7:30.
So you kind of had to rush.
You had to choose, but we've seen the Splash Parade at Carowinds, so be sure to check out our videos from that. It's a lot the same thing, but I did get a clip of it going by, and then I ran back up here to the theater to get the Cirque show. So I'm going to put those in here, so be sure to check these out. Some of their summer shows is going to be around, I think it was till August 9th that they were going to be around. Check the website for sure. But we're still hoping and got our fingers crossed for a drone show tonight. So hopefully we get the drones and the fireworks. That's the main thing. We still got a show like with some music, obviously, that we'll go check out. So we'll try to check that out too. But we're going to get some rides getting really quick.
Singing, we will rock you. Oh, we will rock you. Oh, it sounds so good now.
The night. Now we're going back to what?
I'm short.
Ignite the night.
Yeah.
So here we go. We're going to we're going to head back to Candy Apple Grove and try to see the drone show. Ooh. had a great time here at King's Dominion today, but it's been a hot one, like extremely hot, like heat advisory hot. But we made the best of it. Hopefully we can show you a little bit of the summer stuff that's going on. The drone show was pretty cool with the fireworks, and you know, so was the stage show up at the Eiffel Tower, which was the Rock the Night. So we want to thank King's Dominion for having us out for this today.
Yep.
We really appreciate it. Hope you enjoy your summer here at King's Dominion. Be sure to check them out, and we will see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.